Alright, what's good? So what I'm gonna do today, we're gonna install this bad boy right here, dash camera. So I got the dash cam, got the memory card, and then we have the hardwire kit right there. And pretty much this is pretty simple. I'm thinking of mounting it right behind the mirror here. Gonna run the wire up into the headliner, and then there's a convenient access port right here, and then I'm gonna run the wire down the A pillar here and then into the fuse box, and the fuse box is right up there. So gonna run the wire up into the side, up that A pillar, out there through the roof liner, and then pop it in there. So never actually fished a wire through an A pillar, so I do have this metal fish tape, so that's going to be good. But yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera, hit you with that time lapse, and then we'll see where it goes. Alright, so we've got that installed. Made some changes from the original plan, but as you can see, there it is. I can show you from the inside. So we did a slight change of plans. Instead of routing it on the driver's side through there, because the thing is that's where the fuse box is. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to route it from there up this A pillar and then through the roof right here. But the trouble is there's no gaps in the panels there. I mean, there is a gap, but not enough for the wire. So what I ended up doing is I ran it through the roof liner to the passenger side. You might be able to see, yeah, there it is. So I ran it to the passenger side and then down the passenger side A pillar, right behind the glove box, and then I was able to run it behind the dash to the fuse. So I mean, not the worst in the world. So just a slight change of plans. And let me show you what it looks like on the driver's side. So as you can see, when you're sitting here as a driver, you know, you're looking out the window, and yeah, you can't see it except the wire. So I mean, that's, some people prefer that they would want to see their camera. I like it hidden. I know that it works. You can hear it beep. But yeah, there it is right there. So just went for a test drive. I'm gonna look at the footage to see if I need to adjust it. Otherwise, yeah, it's been fun. All right, peace, guys.